So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4.
The April showers may come your way. They bring the flowers that we made. So if it's raining, have no regrets, because it isn't raining. You know it's raining violets. So when you see clouds upon the hill, soon you will see crowds of daffodils. So keep on looking for a bluebird and listening for his song. It's raining violets. So